Now, how hard can it be to make videos like this and get them monetized on YouTube within just 3 months? As you can see, this video was made with just the sound of simple raindrops and a static image. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy videos like these without showing your face or recording your voice. And yes, if you're still wondering, it's without any reuse or copyright claims. Now, meditation videos on YouTube have been tested over time and they are still proving to be an easy way to make some side cash on YouTube. Here is an example of the type of meditation videos I'm talking about. Just listen to this. You see, these types of videos are easy to create because all you really need is a sound and a looping image or a static one. That means you don't even have to worry about showing your face or recording your voice in the video. But the big question now is, where do you get the sounds and images to use when creating your videos? Now, just a few years back, you could easily create this type of videos by downloading any suiting free stock sounds online and adding a looping video clip or an image to it using a video editor, and that was it. Now, because of the nature of those types of videos, it didn't take long for some creators to start automating the whole process by either reusing content or outsourcing the process. Of course, YouTube quickly caught up with that, and now they are sanctioning channels that re-upload or use reuse content on their platform. But if you can upload your own unique content, there is nothing stopping you from making it with a meditation niche on YouTube. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a channel that creates raindrop meditational videos, and I'm talking about a channel that just started 3 months ago and it's already monetized. So we'll be looking at how to find and where to get sounds and images without worrying about reuse or copyright claims. And finally, we'll look at how you can put all that together so that your video will start generating the views that will help make you money in the long run. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in YouTube automation, make sure to check out the YouTube automation ideas and tips that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, when it comes to making meditational channels, what I've noticed is the channels that do really well usually start off with a very targeted niche. I'm talking about targeted niche like the different sounds of weather, waterfalls, water splashing on shores, and in this case, raindrops. I mean, even in a sub niche like the raindrop niche, you can dig down and find even more sub niches like the raindrops on leaves, the raindrops on roofs or glasses, and so on. Of course, as the channel keeps growing, you have the option of uploading a variety of related videos. So let's look at the Weather Kong channel for example. This is a channel that was created just a couple of months ago and it's already monetized. And the simple reason for that is many people still like these types of videos on YouTube. As you can see here, these videos are generating thousands of views within a very short time, which is an indication that there is still a high demand on YouTube for these types of videos. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you'll see that it contains nothing more than simple raindrop sounds and a static image. So this channel creator doesn't even use a looping video clip as the case is with most of these types of videos. Anyway, you shouldn't be concerned about what he's doing on his channel. What you should be concerned about is where you will get your own image or looping video clips to use when creating your own meditation videos. Well, it's always recommended to take your own images, but if you don't have the means to do that for now, you can start with sites like Pixels or Pixabay. These are open source platforms where you can download copyright-free images and video clips for free. So you can head over to Pixels for example and make a search for raindrops. Below here you can decide whether you want to use a static image or a looping video clip. Now to download any of this content, simply click on it and then on the download button. Now, because this is an open source platform, the videos are uploaded by many different people around the world with the permission to use it however you want. So because it's an open source content, you can be rest assured your video will not get any copyright claims. Now, the next important thing you need when creating your meditational videos is the sound. Again, because many creators were automating these types of videos with royalty-free sounds, they are now being punished by YouTube for reused content and copyright claims. Now, if that's the case, which of course it is, where can you now get sounds that will be copyright free on YouTube? Make sure to click the like button below this video and keep watching if you would like to learn the recommended way of making meditational videos like these. Now, if you watch the videos on the Weather Kong channel, you can easily rush to the conclusion that these videos were made in the same way meditational videos were made a couple of years back. And that's simply because of the static image and the sound of raindrops. But that's not really the case, because creators like the creator on the Weather Kong channel do actually record their own sounds. They don't use any free stock sounds because that's what will easily result to reused content or copyright claims. Now, don't get me wrong here, you can still use free stock sounds and get away with it on YouTube without any copyright claims if you edit the sounds to make them your own. But if you don't have the technical know-how to remix sounds, the next easiest way is to record your own sounds. I mean, we are talking about recording the sound of rain here, guys. How hard can it be to record the sound of rain? Of course, I know to be able to record high quality sounds, you will definitely need some complicated or expensive tools, but we are talking about YouTube. YouTube has leveled the field for us. Really, any basic audio recorder, I mean like those built in most smartphones nowadays, will do a quality job recording your meditational sounds. So next, the rain is falling wherever you are. Don't forget to pull out your phone, find a good position, stabilize the phone and hit record using your phone's audio recording app. If you don't have a recording app on your phone, which I very much don't believe, you can still go to Google Plus and make a search for sound recorder, and as you can see, there are quite a good number of them to choose from. Now, of course, raindrop sound is not the only type of soothing sound that make people go to sleep or for meditation. The sound of steady flowing of running stream can also help many people wind down after the end of a long day. Weary fans or the hum of an air condition, when recorded well, can also be used as a soothing sound. You also have the sound of ocean waves. You see, for many people, the rhythm of crashing water into sand or rocks can be very meditative. You can also use woods or wilderness sounds if that's what you have access to. I mean, you can even use human voices. Do you still remember falling asleep as a kid with adult voices floating in from other rooms in the house? Or the comfort of being read to while you drift off to sleep? Actually, for some people, the sound of human voices still remain a soothing sleeping sound throughout their lives. So as long as you record a soothing sound, you can give it a try and see how your viewers will respond to it. And with all that, I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, make sure to hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you would like to be updated on YouTube automation tips.